and play and learn new things each day. Hi, hello.
Hello my dear students, welcome back to our educational channel. How are you all my dear students? And how have you done your second unit test? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. And about your test, I am sure you have done very well, isn't it? Okay. Today I am going to start a new lesson that is called We All Have the Right to Sing. Unit 3, lesson number 3, We All Have the Right to Sing. In this video, we are going to study about reading 9 paragraphs, explanation and new words. So children, in this video, this is the first part of the third lesson. In this video, we are going to study these points. Are you ready students? Yes. Now here you can see the list of meaning of new words. So these are given in your course book. And another one slide here you can see these are the extra meaning of new words. So I have extra words also I have given. You can take the screenshot and write it down in your English notebook. Okay children, now without further delay, let's get started. Here you can see our third lesson. Before we start this lesson, you should keep your course book in front of you and underline the words which I will tell you. Are you ready students? Okay, put your finger. We all have the right to sing. Tansen was one of the Navaratnas, 9 gems in the court of Emperor Akbar. He was and still is considered to be one of the finest musicians of India. It is said that when he sang in the court of Emperor Akbar, candles used to light up automatically. He is also credited with the fact that he could bring rain merely by singing the raga. Which raga? Megh Malhar. So here 9 gems. So gems, the word meaning is a precious stone, means very valuable stone. And emperor means king, samraj, samrat. Okay, underline the words gems and emperor. And another one, used to. Here used to is a verb. It means firmly or habitually, or you can say repeatedly. So here which things we can do repeatedly but not longer than. So then you can say used to. Okay, next fact. It means reality. Okay children. And do you know children 9 very valuable gems? Here you can see. These are the very precious stones. 9 gems. Ruby, pearl, diamond. So these are called Navaratnas. But in the Samraj, in the emperor king, in the court of emperor king, 9 famous ministers are there. Which are there? Here you can see. He is a Tansen. He was one of the Navaratnas. Navaratnas means 9 talented ministers in the court of King Akbar. Which are there? Here you can see Birbal, Tansen, Abul Fazl, Mansim, Raja Todaramal, Fauzi. So these 9 ministers are presented their vast talent. So they become famous, so that he named them Navaratnas. Have understood, students? So here this lesson is about Tansen. So Tansen was one of the Navaratnas, means 9 famous ministers. He is one of the 9 famous ministers in the court of King Akbar. He was, still is, considered to be one of the finest musician of India. So here Tansen become famous in the music field of India. Okay, now also we can remember his music. What is the speciality of Tansen music? Do you know, children? Here you can see, in our Indian history, it is said that when he sang in the court of Emperor King or Emperor Akbar, candles used to light up automatically. So when he started to sing, the candles lit up automatically without oil. So that is the speciality of his music. And one more speciality is, that is, he could bring rain merely by singing the raga Megh Malhar. So here another one speciality of his singing. What is that? He could bring rain when he start to sing. Which raga that is? Megh Malhar. So that time he can bring rain by his singing the raga Megh Malhar. So next, move on to the next paragraph. Tansen used to render different ragas at different times of the day. He had just finished performing Raga Bhairavi, and all the ministers, the emperor himself and the visitors sat spellbound. There was pin drop silence in the hall, and long after his performance was over, it was as if the pillars and the roof were echoing with his notes. Wow, nice, no? So here Tansen used to sing different ragas in different situation. Here you can see, look at the picture, he is a King Akbar. Do you know King Akbar? Which king? Which emperor? Mughal emperor. Mughal Samraj king. Who? Akbar. And here sat his ministers. Okay, he is Tansen. Tansen used to sing different types of ragas in different situation. When he had finished Raga Bhairavi, his performance by singing Raga Bhairavi, he had finished. Then all the ministers and emperor and all the visitors, means people, all they become silence. They went in the mode of unconscious. Is it? Here, spellbound. Underline the word spellbound. It means hold or give the complete attention. So that is called spellbound. So everybody become silent when he finished his Raga Bhairavi performing his performance, when he finished. And after finishing his performance, after a long time, the pillars and the roof were echoing with his notes. Do you know, children, echoing it means? Echoing means repeating. Here you can see the pillars and roof were echoing with his notes after finishing his performance. Okay. For example, I can tell you, have you ever visited the Gol Gumbaz in Bijapur? Of course, you have visited at least one time. Is it? I too visited there. And children, have you observed there that Gol Gumbaz speciality? Do you know? You just remember that it is echoing 7 times when you speak a word. Is it? So likewise, here the pillars and the roof were echoing with his notes. Means it is music. After finishing his performance, after a long time, they were echoing with his notes. So that is the speciality of his music, who is Tansen. So he was very famous musician. I hope you understood. Next paragraph. Put your finger. Emperor Akbar was in a trance. He broke the silence by saying, "You are the world's best musician, Tansen. How can we honor you?" It was as if he was thinking aloud. He was not addressing anyone in particular. So none of his ministers replied. So here Akbar was in trance. Trance means a mood of silence. He was in a mood of silence or an unconscious mood. So Akbar was in unconscious mood, and after he broke the silence by speaking, by saying, "You are the world's best musician." Tansen was the best musician, the world's best musician. How can we honor you? He asked in a court. And also himself he was thinking, how can you honor to Tansen? And he is not addressed, he didn't address anyone particularly. So all the ministers become quiet. Nobody has replied to the king. How can you honor to the Tansen? I hope you understood this. Next paragraph. Even Tansen was quiet. After a few minutes, he spoke again, as if answering his own question. I know no one will now sing on the streets of Agra. Only a person who is better than Tansen can sing in Agra, and that person has not been born yet. So only Tansen's music shall reverberate in the city. So when King Akbar asked a question, how can we honor to the Tansen? Then all the ministers are not replied, and also Tansen was also become quiet. See, after a few minutes he spoke, means here King Akbar spoke again and answering his question himself. What is that? Nobody will now sing on the street of Agra. So now onwards, no will sing in the street of Agra. We should not allow to anyone. If they want to sing, only that person who is better than Tansen can sing in Agra. We should not allow to sing anyone. Only we should allow that person who is better than Tansen. So that is a reward also, and he has announced the new order. Who? The King Akbar. And he showed himself. So that person has not been born yet. So only Tansen's music shall reverberate in the city. So king was sure that person who is better than Tansen was not been born yet. So in Agra only Tansen's music will reverberate in the city. Now onwards. So this is his reward and also new announcement. Have you understood, students? So next, moving on to the next paragraph. The next day his messengers went round the city announcing the emperor's latest order. So next day his messengers went around the city and announced the emperor's new order. Okay. Now I am going to explain briefly today's paragraphs by showing the pictures. Look at here. He is Tansen. Tansen was one of the Navaratnas in the court of King Akbar. He was considered that one of the best musicians of India because he can light up candles automatically by his singing. Look at the picture. And also he can bring the rain by singing the raga Megha Malhar. So he can use different types of ragas in the different situation. So that is the specialty of his music. So when he had finished his performance by singing the raga, all the ministers, emperor and visitors who presented in the court were become silence. There was pin drop silence. After a long time, when he finished his performance, as though the pillars on the roof of the court were echoing with his notes. Wow! So then Akbar was in mood of silence and he broke the silence by saying Tansen was one of the best musician in the world. So how can you honor to the Tansen? He was just thinking. A few minutes after, he spoke again and he said that now no one will sing. No one will sing on the street of Agra. Only a person who is better than Tansen can sing in Agra. And he was sure that that person was not been born yet. So, in Agra, only Tansen's music shall reverberate in the city. So, that is a reward. So, then next day the messenger went to the city and announced the king's latest order. So, this is the brief information about today's paragraphs. I hope you understood. Now take down the homework. Here you can see, write the meaning of new words in English notebook which have given in this video. Is it clear, students? Now read the whole lesson and all the meaning of new words 2 times. Is it clear? So we will continue next paragraphs in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Thank you, my dear students.